What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're actually working on my friend's Baja truck. I believe it's a 65 or a 66. Let's check out the inside. It's pretty neat. It's got some late style seats in it. The whole back of the Bug was turned into a truck, but he's been complaining about power issues, so we're gonna go ahead and give him a tune-up today. We're gonna do a valve adjustment, spark plug cables, timing, new points, condenser, adjust the carburetor. It looks like a little 1200cc or 1500cc. It's not that big. I told him that's where his power issues are. He's running such a small motor. Like I said, it's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and get started. Are you leaving?
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too. You're live, look. What? All right, guys, so we have the valves adjusted. The oil sump plate has a new screen and new gaskets. Now we're gonna put the valve covers back on. I just gotta scrape the head a little bit because the old gasket's still on the head on both sides. And we're filling up the oil right now. Once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and change the points and condenser. I gotta change this oil filter too. We're gonna check timing, adjust the carburetor, and it should be all tuned up. So we got the tune-up done. I did cut the video a little bit short. There it is with new filters, new plugs, new plug wires, cap and rotor. He does have some leaking push rod tubes and seals. I'm going to mention to him that he should replace, but he's going to want to go to a bigger motor. I rewired his headlights for him. Made it look a little stock since this one was out. He's also having issues with his brakes. It pulls to the left when he brakes, so I adjusted the brakes for him and bled him, but I think he's gonna have to replace all of that plus the tie rods when I check for that. That's gonna be it, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.